Hello everyone, and welcome back to Job Sports Films, and today is the day. Just got to Raleigh, and tonight, the same day we landed, we're going to be watching the Carolina Hurricanes taking on the Columbus Blue Jackets tonight. And today is April 2nd, Thursday, April 2nd, 2026, 7 p.m. puck drop at the Lenovo Center in Raleigh, North Carolina. Really looking forward to this game. A couple reasons why, guys. First of all, guys, Metropolitan division matchup. Yeah, so we got division rivals going at it, so that's really good. Columbus also fighting for a playoff spot right now, so it's going to be an important one for them to win, especially. Yeah, just also this is gonna be my second time seeing the Blue Jackets this season, so I'm in Toronto as well, and I think this is my fifth time seeing them all the time. I actually seen this matchup in Columbus as well. Carolina unfortunately got shut out 3-0, even though I was cheering against them that game. I know, it was just because the Jags were the home team, and I didn't really like Carolina as much as I do now as well. That's another thing you guys got to know, but yeah, but I love the Canes. I'll be rooting for the Canes. Go Canes. Yeah, just in case. I got the hat. So, okay, let's go Canes. Hopefully get this dub. And I've never seen the Canes lose a game actually in Raleigh. I've seen them lose in Toronto and Columbus, but not in Carolina yet. So, trying to keep that streak intact. But, yeah, no, I'm really excited for this game. Metropolitan Division matchup. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this game tonight. It's going to be good. Really excited for it. Anyways, guys, before we get to this one, I want you guys to please leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, hit notifications, leave your comments down below. If you guys say thoughts game going to be going to, you guys are at the game, any thoughts and feelings, guys are in general on this vlog, feel free to leave in the comment section below. Let's see you guys on there. I might make it more like a vlog actually. But anyways, guys, without further ado, guys, we take you guys down to the Lenovo Center, so really excited. See Canes sing on the Blue Jackets, and hopefully it'll be a really good game tonight. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get right to it, and let's go. That's one. That's two. Oh my God. Love it. Alright, we are back. Some music playing for some reason. Gates open in about 7 minutes. 7 more minutes. Yeah, big Canes guy. This is for him. Let's go. Let's see if we can keep the streak alive. Go Canes, man. Blue Jackets and Canes. Go Canes. And yeah, I don't hate the Blue Jackets, but go Canes. I love the Canes more. Let's go. Metropolitan matchup tonight too, actually, battle. Yeah, two teams in the same division. This is gonna be wild because the division rival too. So that's just gonna add to it. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty nuts. I'm not gonna lie. Go Canes, go Canes. Oh, that's the stadium right there. Carter Finley Stadium right there. That's where they played the Stadium Series. They played the Stadium Series right there. We had to go behind that stadium. Alright, so that's the line. Alright, well, we're inside, and this is actually a new part to go down for the 100s. I've never been to this part of the concourse. Never. This is different. Oh, we're on the right side already. Okay, perfect. We're already on the penalty box side. We don't have to go anywhere. Just want to show this part. I've never been in here. Never been to this part. Never. So we'll just come here for the pregame. That's interesting. So this is a little bit different. So it's got like the section right here. So I don't know what side each team comes out. That's the only problem. I think the Canes come out this side because their tunnel is right there, I think. I think it's this side. Yeah. Definitely would get a front row seat right now. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty cool view. Yeah. Wow. Let's just get the rest of this. I'm trying to figure out what side though. Would it be this side? Oh. Just one second. Just want to get the rest of this concourse. I've never been in this part. Yeah, this is the first time I've been in this part. Just gotta find out what side the Hurricanes come out. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Okay, we're going down this big bowl. I've never been down this bowl before. Still got a lot of time. I'll do a concourse walk on Saturday. I'll make sure I do it on Saturday. But today I gotta do the Canes. I'm gonna do it for Big Canes guy. So definitely got a lot of room down there. So we're just gonna head down. I guess that's it. We're just gonna head down and just wait. So yeah, because it's gonna get Chad. I tell you for sure at some point, you gotta come now. Like if you want the Canes, you gotta come when it's like this. With 38 minutes left on the clock at least. We're gonna go Skir's try to go over here. I'm probably not gonna get a puck, but I might as well at least go see the Canes. So that's what we're doing. That is what we're doing. So I'm just trying to sneak down there right now all the way to the bottom. Okay, now we're trying to think. Do I go over here? I guess I go over here. Probably get a spot right here and I just watch them come out and that's it. Pretty much just chill. Okay. So I guess now we're just gonna wait and that's it. So we're just gonna chill for the next like 20-ish minutes and then they'll be out. So we're here, we made it, go Canes. My second Hurricanes game of the regular season. Let's friggin' go, man. Let's go, we're back. We are so back in Raleigh. Let's go. I love it, I love it. Big Canes guy, I'm doing this for you, okay? Just tonight only, I'm doing it for you, all right? So, you're welcome. All right, you're welcome. Look at beautiful, it looks so beautiful here, man. Oh my God, look at the lights on the seats. This is my first time ever in the lower bowl in this arena, ever. So cool. Okay, no, you're, sorry, Big Canes guy. This is for you, buddy, okay? So you're welcome, I'm doing it for you tonight, so. This is for you, buddy. So, do it just for you, bro. Alright, so you're welcome, man. I did it. So while I'm waiting, just thought I'd show you the record as well. That's the record going in for the Jackets. Canes on top of these, tied for first in the whole East with Buffalo right now. Just look at the screen. It is massive. Massive. Like, wow. Canes fan tour, Finland. Wow. Hey, that's why that guy's wearing a Finland jersey. Can't say I blame him. It's definitely getting a little busier now. I think I came at a good time. I'm not gonna lie. I think I came here at the right time. Again, Big Canes guy, only for you, buddy. Okay, doing this for you, bro. You're welcome, man. Just for you, bro. Doing a Canes warm just for you, exclusively for you, bro.
Oh yeah, there's
It's almost time. It's almost time. They're getting close. They're getting pretty close. Jankowski getting pretty close. I don't think they do an intro. I think they just come out like straight up. That could be a good thumbnail. Big Canes guy. This is for you, my man. I did it. Gotta get this on us. I hope Jarvis comes here. Come on, Jarvis, over here, man. Come on, Jarvis. There you go. Here's Jarvis. There you go. Here's Jarvis. Wow. They got nothing on these pucks. Look. They got nothing on them. That's not worth getting to me. I wouldn't give those away. I wouldn't even keep one. They gotta put something on those pucks. They gotta put something on there. Nikishin! Do not wear headphones. I'm about to warn people, don't wear headphones. Okay. We're going upstairs. Just doing a tiny bit of concourse today. Not too much. Man, those kids were screaming like crazy. Do not wear headphones in that video. Do not wear headphones. I gotta tell everybody, no wearing headphones. Or if you do, put it on very low volume. You'll see when I post it. I think they did renovate it though. Last time I saw it was renovation too. Yeah, they changed it a little bit up here. We'll do a whole lap on Saturday, but a little bit different up here now. We got different lights too. Oh, but you know what? We gotta look at this. I don't know if it was that way or what. Okay, we'll just go this way. This is new. This is new. This is brand new. Holy crap. So now you have an observation. Look at that. They took out the seats and now you can watch. It's like Tampa over here. You can watch it from there now. We have new renovations. This is what it looks like around here now. We're just gonna go to our seats. I'm gonna do a whole lap on Saturday, but oh my god. This is nice. They renovated this. They're not done yet either. Look, we're gonna add more. They have danger. They're just gonna build more. So they renovated that. That's new. That's brand new. This is still this is the same. This is the exact same. We're like 10 sections away. We're just going to our seats. We're just good to know. That is really good to know, actually. Really good to know. They did change it. They changed it a little bit. They changed it a little bit. They renovated it, I think. Huh? Well, I mean, it's been around. This train's been in the... We're gonna go up, but this is what it looks like right now. We're going this way or that way? Alright, that way it is. Okay. This is where we are tonight. This is it. Okay, well, I'll cut. So this is where we are. Just finished the pre-game show. They actually did a renovation right over here. It looks really nice. I mean, honestly, they did a good job with that. So you can watch the game. See how they're all standing there now? That's so cool that they did that. That's really cool. They did a renovation, brand new. Brand new area. I think it's just seats. Just seats. It's like the Rogers Center. They took them out and just made them into that. Yeah. They just took them out and made it like a fan area. That's pretty cool. I wouldn't stand there though, but that's pretty cool.
Don't miss your chance.
A lot of people there. Lots of people there. Buffalo, Carolina are tied for first in the East. I'm hoping Carolina can retake possession of best team in the East. Hopefully Buffalo lose to Ottawa. I want Ottawa to make the playoffs too in a way. I don't want Boston making it. But too bad the Jackets are in the second spot right now, so I don't know. I'm a little indifferent. This is a tough one. I want Carolina to win for the best in the East, but I also want the Jackets to win to keep their playoff hopes alive and not let Ottawa in, to be honest, or Detroit. Very tough, but we'll just see what happens. Go Canes. Regardless, I'm rooting for the Canes. Doesn't matter. I hope they can get first place in the East. Really hope they do. That would be great. Let's go Canes. Intro starting. Next clip you guys will see will be parts of the intro. So here you go.
All out his house in the NHL. It's a great night for hockey in Raleigh. And your Carolina Hurricanes.
Whoa!
Kindly remove your caps and join us as we honor America with the playing of the Star-Spangled Banner. Performed this evening on trumpet by Willie Bradley.
Here we go. Go Canes. Let's see what happens, man. Let's go. Let's go. Thursday night. Let's go Canes. He's right there, this guy. Let's go Canes. Let's go Canes. Oh no. Let's go Canes. We sat in this exact section last time. What? I'm pretty sure we sat in this exact spot. I think we sat in this exact spot in October. The exact same spot for the Islanders game. There's Monahan. I see him. I see Monahan. 23. Monahan. 23. I see him. Walker. They might. They're in a wild card right now. Last wild card, so they need to win this game. Like, they need it more than the Canes. They need it way more. They should be desperate. Like, there's no way they're not going to be desperate tonight. Especially after Tuesday night. They should be coming to this game very desperate. Let's do a little... He's mad already. He's mad. He's Blue Jacket face. Mad. Action. We got some action. I want to see a power play a couple times. Oh,
That's a shot. There's no way it's only one. He's got to have 2 or 3 now. They have 3. They're out shooting them. It's bullcrap. It's only 1. That's 2. It's 2 shots. Run. The scoreboard's run. 2 shots. That's a 3rd shot now. Okay, this scoreboard's really behind. I don't even have a hat to throw. I just realized that. Oh! That didn't go in. That's posted out. No, it's out. That's out. Let's see if they look at it again, though. That was close. I think it hit the post and went out. 1,400 games? 1,400! Wow! Wow! I'm saying 1,400 games! What? I didn't know that! 1,400! Oh my God! Wow! 1,400! Wow! Oh! Oh, that's a yeah, that's 2. Wow. Oh man.
His second from Paul and Blake, 8:52, first period.
And now he does it again. Let's go, Kings! Let's go, Kings! Let's go, Kings! Right here, look at this. Let's go, Kings! 8-2. Like, look, it's not even close right now. Yeah, I would not want to be a visiting fan right now. I'm not gonna lie. In this building, you don't really want to be a visiting fan.
The NHL doesn't know it.
This would be one of the, I mean, they're not. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it right there. Yeah, see? Holy crap, that's a little bit here. Yeah, nice. Gotta set him up. Set him up. On shorty. Oh boy. Woo! Oh man, this is all Canes right now. This is a short. Oh! Save. Shoot. Ah, off the stick. Woo! Oh. Wide. That shot clock's a little inaccurate though, I gotta be honest. Oh, come on! Come on! Oh! He's definitely here. So cool, he just goes to all these places. He goes everywhere. No, but he's like living my dream. Going to all the places I want to go to. What?
1 minute remaining in the period.
1 minute. Wow. What a start. Holy moly. What a start. Wow. Let's see if they can figure out the rest of the game, but my goodness. Like, that was domination. Like 10 shots too. I think that's a little bit inaccurate. I think it's more like 11 or 12. Like 10's being generous. I think it was more like 11 or 12. 3-0, man. Alright guys, so it's intermission right now. I'm gonna try to get some ice cream. I might be a little busy. I don't know if I'm gonna be in time for the next period, but yeah, 3-0 Canes. Absolute domination, man. Oh my god. 2 by Stankoven and Nikishin. Yeah, Nikishin. Yeah, so 3-0 after just one period. Man, oh man. It started like the exact same as the Islanders game. Like, there's 3 goals early. The Blue Jacket fan in front of us, not happy. I think they're blowing the horn. I literally just heard it. Canes off to a ruckus start, man. Oh man, the big Canes guy, you gotta be happy with that start, but holy crap. Wow. Not a good night to be a Jackets fan so far. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes, you know, just one period at a time. No expectations. Still a long way to go, but big streak. Gotta keep it intact. Yeah, just see what I can get. If I'm a little late for a second period, I apologize. So anyways. See you guys soon. Alright guys, I got the ice cream. Just show you the logo here. Yeah, got on a nice hot day in Carolina, but yeah, going back to the seats now. 5 minutes till a second. Let's go. Let's go, just got it. Got to switch it back. Here we go. Boo! Zebras and Jackets. Gonna do a little bit of that Whoa, let's go! Let's go! Alright, 1 minute till a second. Oh my god. Wow. Here we go. Second period in Raleigh. Let's get it. Drop the puck. Come on, Zebra. They took a shot off. I still think it's like 11 or 12. Let's go, Canes. Let's go, Canes. Let's go, Canes. Let's go, Canes! Woo! Let's see if they keep it going, keep it rolling, just keep it rolling. You know, I think a Carolina Buffalo series would be insane. I would love to see that, actually.
Oh, wow, we learned how to play hockey.
I'd love to see them play Buffalo. That'd be so cool. Nice! Nice save! Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, Freddie. Penalty. Who's it on though? Is it on the Jackets? Please. It looks like it is. Let's go. Finally.
Columbus Philly number 5. 2 minutes interference.
Here we go. Number 5. Bye-bye. Who is that? Who's number 5? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Cheaters never win. Woo! Woo! first time.
2 interference.
Oh!
The second period. Blue
First time this trip.
Attention. 2 for interference. 3:14 seconds run the Powerball. Power play.
Sorry, I had to get that far. My bad. There we go. Okay. Oh! Wow! Just can't finish, man. You know what? Oh man, I have a good idea now.
Hey, I brought them to a Boston.
Oh! Come on, boys. Oh. Let's go, Kings. Kept it in there. I'm surprised he kept it. Oh! Again. Wow. All right, come on. Gotta trust. Okay. Come on, Jarvis. What just happened? Oh, must have been a hit or something. Like, what was that? This crowd just went crazy there. Oh! Great, oh no. Wow! Oh my! Let's go! Come on! Oh, come on. I'd like to sit there actually, that'd be cool. Not this time, but the next time we come. PNC Victory Club. But look, they're actually cooking food too. It's actually cool. And I don't know why. It's like something about the second period of this place is always slow. It's not bad, but it's just slow. I jinxed it. I jinxed it. It's shut out. Just get it over it. I'm not saying
Don't shut out. How about it? Don't give us 1 point.
that guy, 5. Yeah, tough. Just like the Islanders, they get one back. Not over yet. Long way to go. Yeah, it's 1 goal, whatever. No big deal. We'll be fine. That sucks. Oh well. Man, the same thing as the last game. Goal for goal. Wow, traded goals again, just like the Islanders game too, and the Leafs game against Lightning, same thing. Traded goals. Bang, bang. 4-1 now, wow. Okay. God, where is the announcement? They probably don't know who got it, that's probably why. It looked like Marnook, so they'll get it at some point. It's strange, they all haven't announced it. The jackpot's on there too, I've never seen that actually. Interesting. really taking a while.
Carolina Hurricanes.
Yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, that was Monahan. Oh my God, Monahan. That was Monahan. Almost. They never managed because they spent too much money on Marner, Matthews, and Nylander and all that. Spent too much money. I don't know. I hope he stays, but I don't know. Then maybe not. So I don't know. I don't know if he's gonna stay or not in a couple of years. I don't know. I'll have to see. I might trade him. I hope they don't, but they might. It sucks. That situation's really sad right now.
Meeting in the period.
Oh yeah, there's one there. Because you weren't here for some of it. I want to fight! We all need a fight! Wow! Yeah, that's not good. Right. Be careful! Not over! Alright, just quick update after two. 4-1 Carolina, couple goals for each team, basically trade at the same time. You know, pretty good. Martinuk with that one, and then Matejchuk for them. Not too bad. You know, I mean, it was 4-1. It's not over yet. I mean, as a Toronto fan, I know it very well, but hopefully they hold on and keep the streak alive. Just gotta hold it down now. Just gotta play defense. Don't need to do anything too crazy. Just gotta hold it down. All right. Third period. Stick on the face off. No, a few minutes in. Took a few minutes. Let's go, kids! No. Let's go, kids! Yeah, way better atmosphere, way better. I think most places are better than Toronto, most. And a lot of them in the States. A lot of them in the States are better. The Bears. The Bulls. They watch the game in the TVs. Yeah. Well, they were doing the same thing for the like that this year. We'll have to see how they do in the regular season and go from there. See how far they go in the playoffs when they get there. Come on! Delay of game. Delay of game. Puck over the glass. Yeah, it's when they put the puck over the glass. Yeah? If it's intentional, if it's not an accident. He did it on purpose. Stupid. Drinking. Man, beer. I don't never drink beer. Never. Nah, you couldn't pay me. You couldn't even pay me to do that. You couldn't pay me. You couldn't pay me. You couldn't pay me. I'm waiting until 21 to fall in the American rules. That just went nuts. The puck went out of play and they didn't stop. You're supposed to stop it. Then they stopped it after. Shot on it.
Columbus Philly number 9, 2 minutes for slashing.
There you go. Now you get to see it now. Will they do it though? I don't know if they'll do it. We'll see, I guess. But it's a 4-on-4 though. It's not a power play. It's not a power play, that's why. They only do it if it's a power play. It's 4-on-4. It's 4-on-4. Hey! Yeah, it's pretty bad. What's he done? Yeah. Oh my God, what is this? What is going on? It's not over yet. I mean, oh come on, you stupid zebra!
Number 4, Shane Justice Bear.
In the middle of the announcement.
Sebastian.
Zebra. Blueberry basket. Blueberry basket! Let's just see how many goals they get at this point. Probably not many, I mean. I'd have a couple more in them. Maybe 7. I think 5-1, I'm happy with that. I think I'm happy with 5-1. I don't think next game will be a good one, actually. I want the next one to be a little tighter. Maybe actually a good game on that. I'd like to see Shaver score. I guess we'll see. Another chance. Oh. I love Southeast hockey. When it's warm out there, yeah, it's good. Southeast hockey's really good. Like, honestly, Southeast hockey's a good thing. Wow.
Columbus 43, Carolina 19, 2 minutes each for Raleigh, 4-4 hockey.
They even it up! You're not happy that they even it up? What? Oh my God! It just seems like it was slightly off to me. I don't know. Yeah, 9 shots. They showed the miles per hour on there too. Minutes to go. Almost done. Just close it up. We got them right where we want them. Just close it out. They have the 25-year patch as well. Let's go. Canes. Let's go! Canes! This guy went crazy. Wow. He's right there, look. Right there. Right there, I see him. Weird, I see him. Down to the final minute already. Didn't film too much this period, but whatever.
1 minute remaining in the period.
Woo! Last minute! 5! Go get stick! That's right, look. Last second goal again like the last time. No, probably not. Probably be it. Take it out down. Let's go. Canes win. Canes win. Canes win. Wait, no, wait. Okay. Bye-bye, Jackets. We'll see you in the future, whatever that ends up being. They're doing the clapping. Oh, they clinched the playoffs! Oh my God, I saw it! We saw it live! Oh my God, they clinched! Holy moly! We saw the Leafs do it. A year ago today, we saw the Leafs do the same thing. A year ago today. No, in Toronto. Same thing. The Leafs clinched the playoffs on this day last year. We saw it live. Oh my God. So Buffalo won tonight, they'd be in 2 probably. If Buffalo won if they win their game, they're probably in 2 finally. Buffalo's probably going to clinch 2 then, because if they win tonight, they're probably going to be in 2. Yeah. So if Buffalo wins, they're probably in 2. If they win in Ottawa, they're probably in the playoffs too. Man, that place is going to go bonkers when they make it. Oh my, I can't even imagine. Look at that big play. That's massive. Canes in the playoffs. First, I think the first East team to clinch. First East team to clinch. The first East team to clinch. I think the first team in the East to clinch. The Canes. First team. Wow. Wow. I didn't think that was going to happen. I guess I'm not so that surprised. Buffalo will probably be next.
Number 71, Taylor Hall.
Well, congrats, Canes, on your playoff berth, too. Buffalo's probably right there, though. They're right there, too.
Now, second start of the game from the Carolina Hurricanes with 2 assists tonight. Number 20, Sebastian Aho.
Woo! You gave it a stick. You only gave it the
First start of the game from the Carolina Hurricanes with 2 goals tonight, including the game winner, number 22, Logan. Now let's go to the
I got to still do the interview too. Hold on.
With a 2-goal night, number 22, Logan Stanton.
Let's see what he has to say about them clinching the playoffs. Playoffs, Canes! Wow. I didn't think that was going to happen.
Oh, congratulations.
Wow.
I think just mentally being prepared and we're going for it.
I talked with you in game about your 2 goals at even strength, power play, penalty kill, shorthanded goal as well. You have special teams clicking. How crucial has that been?
Yeah, the goals are hard to come by as we get closer to playoffs and in the playoffs. So when
Now you're in the playoffs.
you have, the PK working together and the power play contributing, that's huge. And we're going to need the special teams to be big for us down the stretch here.
There's a lot of hockey to go this season and in the postseason to officially have this playoff spot. This group experienced so much adversity and injury to start the year. To see it come full circle to this moment, what does it mean to the team?
It's unbelievable. I think our group is going to be so hard in the playoffs. So we're really grateful, but we're losing sophomores. So we're excited to finish the rest of the season.
Wow. Holy crap, man. Carolina came in here tonight. They weren't messing around. Swept the back-to-back home and home. Well, not back-to-back, but the home and home against Columbus Blue Jackets. And they are now in the playoffs. Carolina's clinching the playoffs. So I want to give my congratulations to the Canes. Also, big Canes guy, your team's in the playoffs. Got to see it live. I got to see it live. And also, fun fact, April 2nd of last year, 2025, Leafs were playing the Panthers. Leafs won 3-2, and also they clinched the playoffs that day. If you guys remember, that was doubleheader. That was second half of the doubleheader. The Leafs actually clinched the playoffs in Scotiabank a year ago today. I saw it live. God, it's so sad. And I think Buffalo, they're pretty much right there too. So, hey, congrats to the Sabres. If they beat the Sens tonight, they're losing 2-1 last time I checked. So if the Sabres win tonight, they're probably going to be in the playoffs too. That city is going to erupt, Buffalo. I mean, like, here they're used to it. But in Buffalo, holy crap. When they clinch the playoffs, that city is going to go bananas. And I actually hope they lose tonight. And I hope they actually clinch it in Buffalo like Carolina did here. I like their fans to experience that. I probably won't be going to their next home game. No, probably not. But just imagine that place, man. When they clinch it in Buffalo, that place is going to go bonkers. Like, they are going to be insane. 14 years, 15 years actually. That's a big deal. It's actually 15 years because 2011 to 26. So it'll be 15 years of waiting. That's unbelievable. Right? That would just be unbelievable. So I actually hope the Sabres do it at home. I want them to do it in Buffalo, actually. But Big Canes guy, this one was for you. I hope you enjoyed it. But like I said, this is only part one. We got to come back on Saturday to come back here Saturday to the New York Islanders again. Yes, same matchup we saw in October. We're seeing it again. Islanders versus Canes in this arena on Saturday night. We're going to do it again. Go Canes. We're going to do it one more time. So, I'm excited. We're going to do it one more time. Good game tonight. That was great. Beat the crap out of the Jackets. That was amazing. Got to see them clinch the playoffs. Couldn't really ask for much better. Saw Leafs and the Canes. Same day. Back-to-back years, clinch the playoffs. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't get better than that for me. I mean, my undefeated streak continues in this building. It's unbelievable. About to go outside. Just unbelievable. Love Carolina. Just nothing but respect. I know they gave my team a rough time, but you know what? This game, definitely a worse outcome if you're a Jackets fan. But GG's Columbus. I mean, good luck on making the playoffs. It's going to be tough for you guys now. But I wish you guys nothing but the best as well. Woo! All right, I'm going to wrap it up. We're getting out of here. So like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Go Canes. We'll see you guys on Saturday night. Peace out.